what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, these are some templates that I use all the time, like pretty much every smoker almost. And I wanted to show them to you because they save a lot of time when you have to cut the same thing over and over. And these are cut at different angles for different things. But with the little edge bent over on it, all you have to do is just hook it on there and cut every time. You don't have to mark it out, which can take quite a bit of time if you're marking every one with a speed square. I mean, just on those, that would be 8 different times I had to mark it. But if you have to do a lot of them, I mean, this really is a time saver. And the pieces, you just have to flip it over and then do the other side. I'm sure you can make them where there's an angle where you can do it without flipping it, but it's really not a lot of trouble. If you're cutting it out of a whole stick like this, you still have to make your mark where you're going to cut it at. But it's still quite a bit of time because you don't have to actually mark the angle down. I mean, for whatever cutting, you can make them at any angle you want it to, you know. These are made at 40 degrees, 35 degrees, and this one is just square. But this one is set where I don't have to measure at all. It's the width of it is the width that I need once it's cut. But if you're using plasma and you have a lot of the same stuff to cut, this will help out a whole lot on your time. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.